Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hey everyone, as you can see, we've had our really exciting book fair this week. Very successful. We like to thank all our volunteers, such as Mrs. Wrigley, who have been helping to set up and support the fair this week. We've been able to have lots of students coming through to see anything that they wanted to purchase, and it was a great seeing everyone so excited to see all the books and everything that you had here. Very colourful space. I had on Wednesday a selected group of 5/6s who represented the school at the Billy Slater Rugby Gala. I know it was very exciting for them on the day, however it was a very wet, muddy and a bit of a slippery day for them, but they really enjoyed it. I hope they didn't get too cold. We also have the parent-teacher interviews last night, so we want to thank all the parents who took the time to come in to see the teachers and to talk about how all the students are going. We know that our students are doing a great job here at school with lots of learning and exciting things that are happening. Thanks everyone. So for signing off, we hope you had a great week, and going into next week, don't forget about our Cranbourne East Primary School respect expectations. We want to make sure you're respecting yourself, each other and our community. See ya.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are celebrating World Principals Day, a special day to recognize and thank our principal team for their dedication, leadership, and the positive impact they have on our school every single day.
Being a principal is about so much more than running a school. It means supporting students, guiding teachers, making important decisions, and helping create a safe, welcoming, and inspiring place.
On behalf of all students, staff, and families, we would like to say thank you to Mr. Carlson and the principal team for all their hard work, care, and commitment to our school. Your leadership makes a difference every single day, and we truly appreciate everything you do.
Please join us in wishing our principal a very Happy World Principal Day. To help celebrate this special day, some of our classes have some special messages to share their appreciation.
Happy World Principal Day! Thank you! Happy World Principal Day! Thank you! Happy World Principal Day! Thank you! Happy World Principal Day! Happy World Principal Day! Thank you! Happy World Teachers Day! Thank you! Happy World Principal Day!
Thank you for your great leadership. Thank you for your efforts in the school.
Thanks for being the best!
Thank you!
Thank you to our amazing principals. We appreciate everything you do and all the effort you put into making our days happy, safe, and wonderful.
Thank you, Mr. Carlson.
Thank you, Mrs. Kelly.
Thank you, Mr. Music.
Thank you, Mrs. Herring. Thank you,
Mrs. Cubic.
Thank you, Mrs. Wrigley.
Have a great day! Bye!
Next week's respect expectation is I use school property for its correct purpose. We do not eat while using our laptop and iPads. We do not walk around while working on our laptop and iPads. When we are finished using our laptop and iPads, we do not put things on top of them. Let's all remember to show respect by using school property for its correct purpose.
Hello and welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Jaiko and this is Maya. Today we are interviewing Zorwa and Aman from 3R. And now, onto the questions. What is your favorite sport?
Soccer.
Basketball.
What job do you want to do when you grow up?
A police officer.
An NBA player.
Who is one person you look up to?
My dad.
My parents.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation.
Teleportation.
And finally, who is your favorite celebrity?
Tom Brady.
Kevin Hart.
If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
Japan.
Japan.
If you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
A cheetah because you can run fast and you can scratch people.
A jaguar because they have large teeth.
What is something new you learned at school this year?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
What is your favorite thing to do in the weekend?
Play outside.
Play on my iPad.
What is your favorite season and why?
Spring because sometimes it's warm and sometimes it's cold, and whenever it's warm, it's not too hot.
Summer because in another country it's winter.
Thank you, Aman and Zarawa, for your time today. Stay tuned for more Student Talk next week. Bye.
Bye.
Hi there, everyone. Well, it's time to get a little bit funny. Who's ready for this week's joke? What kind of dogs like to go to the bathroom? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, your time is up. What kind of dogs like to go to the bathroom? Poodles. I hope you enjoyed that one, and you can go home and put a smile on someone else's face by telling them that joke this week. Have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you all again next week.
Breaking news! Live from the book fair, it's Mrs. Perkins. Let's go see what books people have bought. Let's go! Oh, look! Who do we have here, Mr. Music?
Oh, hello.
Mr. Music, what book have you got?
Well, I've got Super Diaper Baby, and I'm picking this book because when I was at primary school, I used to read Captain Underpants, which wasn't that long ago.
Well done, Mr. Music. Let's go see who else has bought some books. Oh, who do we have over here?
Oh, hello,
It's
Miss
Mr. Bashir.
Hello.
At the book fair.
I'm thinking of buying Ella and Olivia Sporty Stories. I love sport and I love stories.
That is so true, Mr. Bashir. Thank you, everybody. Let's go see what students have bought at the book fair. Genesis, what book do you really want to get from the book fair?
For the book fair, I would like to
again, I'm not a fit.
And why do you pick that book?
Because of the front cover.
The front cover, it looks really cool, doesn't it? Thank you, Genesis. And here we have Zoe. And Zoe, what did you pick today at the book fair?
I picked a dog friends kit because I really want to prank my family.
You really want to prank your family? Well, I hope those pranks go well. Thank you, Zoe. And here we have Kritana. And Kritana, what did you purchase from the book fair tonight? Ooh. And do you have your pen license, Kritana? Maybe she might get her pen license soon with that pen. I picked this book, Ninja Girl, because I want to be a ninja. Yeah! We hope everybody had such a great time in the book fair this year. We hope to see you back next year. Breaking news. Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope to have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.